Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download Radio Garden application for your PC. So let's go ahead and start right away. First of all, make sure that you've downloaded an Android emulator on your PC. If you don't have it yet, you can download the BlueStacks Android emulator. Once you've got it, launch it open. Soon after you open up the BlueStacks Android emulator, click on this App Player option on the left hand side of the screen. Now, open up the App Center option. You'll also need to go ahead and enter your Google account's credentials to open up your BlueStacks App Player. Once you're logged in with your Google account, go to the search box at the top and type in Radio Garden and search. If you don't find it in the display, click on the Search in Google Play button and you will be able to find the application in the search result. Now, click the Install button right next to the app to start installing the application. Wait until the application downloads and installs on your PC. Once the application is downloaded and installed, you can launch open the app right away. And that's how you can easily download Radio Garden for your PC with the help of an Android emulator. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.